We finally got back to the RV after dealing with the barn roof repair. We're selling our Outback RV. We needed to bring the slides in so the buyer could move it, but nothing ever seems to go exactly how we expect.
It's a story we live. City to the country, this is where it begins. From the block to the barn, we make it our own Farm Life Diaries. Come ride along.
The battery wasn't working, so the slides wouldn't come in. We charged the battery, but it still didn't kick in. We're thinking now it might be a fuse. The problem is the RV can't be moved with the slides out, so we had to figure out how to bring them in manually. There's always something on the farm that takes longer than it should. So while Sean's getting the tools, I'm pulling the insulators we installed. Sean found the brackets. The backslide had a manual roll, so we decided to start there. We figured if we could at least get that one in, we'd be in better shape. But to stabilize the slide out, we decided to use the tractor. Sean realized we needed to adjust the brackets in order for them to fit. So he adjusted, tried to fit it again, obviously a little bit short. More adjustments needed. It always seems like the easiest things take the most time on the farm, especially when it's the first time you're doing them. We finally got one side on, and you can hear the sense of accomplishment.
It's on? It's on. It's not on the wheel. But I think because it's lifted on the other side higher, right? No.
Oh, wait. See that?
Oh, put something under this.
Right, that's what we got to do. We got to tie and put something under this.
Well, that other stick, right? Oh no, because we need one to hold it. Right. That?
It's starting to come together. Now we're working on the other side. Is it in there?
Yep.
I'm gonna see. Hold it. Just hold it. There we go. It's in there.
Okay.
It's a little on the edge though. See? It's a little on the edge though. But we should be able to roll it now.
Right, it's supposed to roll in.
You ready?
Let me go in the other.
Sean went inside the RV to remove the stoppers that keep the slide from coming in. Hey, and what about this? We should take this out, this thing. It's finally time to see if these brackets work.
You ready?
The moment of truth. Ah, felt so good pushing that in. The side slide was a different story. We tried a few things, but we couldn't get that one to move. At that point, we decided we had done what we could for now. The buyer is another farmer and he's getting it for a good price. So we'll see if he can move it as is. Sometimes things don't go exactly how you plan out here. You just do what you can, figure things out as you go, and move on to the next. And that's farm life. Thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
From the block to the barn, we make it our own farm life.